Hello and welcome to our video about favorites. The purpose of favorites is to make your end users' lives easier, providing them with quick access to information that they regularly use. Each end user can choose up to 200 records, reports, list views, chatter groups, and more to favorite. By selecting favorites, your end users create a shortcut to their most relevant information, spending less time searching and more time doing what they are good at. This benefits your users and also your business. To use favorites, simply navigate to the information you would like to favorite. Let's start with a record. This might be, for example, a key deal that you are working on that you review multiple times across the day. When you are on that record, just click the star at the top right of the page so that the button background turns blue. You should also get a message across the top of your screen telling you that the record has been favorited. You have now added that record to your favorites. Easy as that. Now, let's take a look at a list view. It is exactly the same process, just click on the star and it has been added to your favorites. On navigation items, when you click the arrow to the right, you now see the 3 most frequently used favorites for that object under My Favorites, making it quick and easy to navigate to them. To see all of the items you have favorited, just click the drop-down next to the star. If you no longer need an item to be a favorite, you have a few options. You can navigate back to the items page and click the star so the background becomes white again. Or if you want to remove multiple favorites at one time, you can click the drop-down next to the star and click the option to edit favorites, and from there you can unfavorite records by clicking the X. You can also reorder your favorites here by dragging and dropping the items in the list. The other functionality you are given in this window is that you can click the pencil icon, and this will allow you to add your own customizations to the item's name in your favorites, so that it is more recognizable for you. Don't worry though, this is a functionality for each individual end user, so everyone can use their own naming conventions to help them identify the records they have favorited, but it won't change any of the details within the record. You also have the option to search through your favorites here as well, meaning that you can always find the exact information that you are looking for. Finally, if there is a favorite that you use all the time, why not add it as a navigation item? Click on the pencil on the far right of the navigation bar and then click Add More Items. Select the favorite and then add it to the bar. Thank you for watching our short video on favorites.